This is a love reading for you, Virgo, for November to December. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for the heart shape spread and then see how's the guidance for the two of you. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Virgo as it is, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, you want to read is my November newsletter. I've given the link in the description box. And after this video, there is a small reel which will play, which is about my tarot shop. You want to check the catalog, all the readings and services I'm offering, and if you like, you can book whatever reading you like or you will like to have. So the links for all the readings is also given in the description box. So let us see, Virgo, how's the guidance for you? Who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring? Your partner brings. Oh, I've opened these cards. Okay. So, anyways, how do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from, and how's overall the tarot guidance? Virgo, you are carrying a lot of emotions with you in the relationship, and you may not be telling everything to your partner. And right now, you're just dealing with something internally. Your partner is also dealing with a lot of difficulty, and it is mostly more to do with material things or money than emotions. You are emotionally down, and your partner is dealing with some kind of a financial situation which is not working out in some way. So, when I see the two cards, your partner is asking for help, that in this relationship or the two of you being together, maybe money is less, maybe something is not working out. Your partner is asking for help, and the good part is he or she is getting the help. But in your case, you are just saying you're hurt, but you're not asking for help or taking help. So, Virgo, you will heal only when you want to or wish to start that journey. If you want to continue being hurt or carry the pain with you for whatever reason, then it just continues. So, I'm just saying that out of the two of you, you are the one heavy hearted and who wants to continue in a bit of a mode or bit of a mood of being hurt or in pain and not ready to move on just yet from whatever is the pain. It is also possible you bring this pain from your family or from your workplace. So maybe you're not talking much with your love interest or partner, and some of you may have missed out on something last year. Maybe you missed out on some promotion or you missed out on some win, and it is just bothering you. And but your partner is very beautiful. He or she is asking for all the help, and the good part is your partner is getting it. He or she has no ego, has no problem telling their bad situation to people. So, what is the strength and challenges you bring? You have a beautiful strength, Virgo, and that strength is you're not very lovey mushy in love. You can be very practical and you can be amazingly emotional and sensitive. And you understand emotions. You also understand that love is not always the same meaning for everybody. So you have a very matter of factly approach towards it, and I don't see you getting overtly going unreasonable or doing things what people do when they're madly in love. Because you have so much understanding and you guess emotions so well, you stay very level headed. Your partner, on the other hand, is someone who will go all the way in love. He or she can even take a lot of risk and put their personal safety at risk in while being in love. So he or she may not be listening to a lot of people while being with you, or maybe loving you unconditionally too early in the relationship. I'm just saying is here is someone who's very happy, and that happiness has no bounds. So your partner is very very happy in the relationship. He or she truly wants things to work out and is okay to take whatever is the risk. So he or she is not calculating much, not thinking much, is just enjoying the emotion of love. So how do you see your partner, Virgo, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone, yes, you acknowledge he or she is someone very sensitive, emotional, and you can spend a great time with. You both are experiencing bliss and happiness. And if you are someone with children from the previous marriage, then Virgo has accepted you completely. Also, I'm saying is some of you who are dating, you also want children and settling down with your partner. You wish for that future. You see that this is the partner with whom it will happen. So, Virgo, you may not be saying much, or you are in this phase where you're dealing with certain emotions, but you're very convinced about your partner. How does your partner see you? Your partner feels that you can get very stubborn sometimes with certain things, and then you don't very quickly get around. So it's like when you get hurt, you just are very, very hurt, and then you take forever to come around or make peace or for things to get back to normal. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? Your partner is very convinced about the future. He or she feels that this union is blessed, and there is a stroke of luck for the two of you working out, and therefore the relationship will lead to a lot of success or happiness. Your partner is very very convinced about the future. You are also very convinced, but there you have lot of worries, Virgo. You feel that with this partner you may have to deal with lot of other things, not necessarily to do with the partner, but you want to put sort things out in a way that there are least of worries. I'm just seeing you very worried. Some you may be feeling that you may not be able to talk about these worries with your partner. Some of you may be harboring a secret as well, Virgo, that how do I tell it to my partner that this is what is the situation, or this is what is how things are. You have worries of communication. How will I tell it? How do I say it? Whatever it is, you should take that leap of faith and do it, because your partner is very convinced. He or she is willing to throw it all away for you, and is feeling a lot of love. You also know that this person is for keeps, and to go, all the way. So this worry you should start to address, and you seem to be little bit tongue tied with this partner, and it is getting you worried about how the things will work out in the future. So what is the past you both are coming from? You have dealt with very very difficult situations in the past, Virgo. Nothing is too difficult. You have dealt with you know it's just amazing how big a heart you have, and how much love and compassion you can show to the most difficult of people. So you have the ability to work around with people and create a lot of success. Your partner just loves to travel, just loves to try new things. He or she is this person who will take the very big risk, and is very talented. Your partner is, not just somebody who has a regular job and has an expertise, but is very very talented. Maybe is also a good singer, is also somebody very good with writing, something like that. I'm just saying is your partner is so talented, and he or she wants to go exploring. So it's quite possible that your partner has traveled a long distance and is at the place where you are, Virgo. Excuse me. So I'm saying is your partner has relocated or is coming from a different culture. Somehow he or she may have crossed the seven seas, or has come along a long way, but very very talented and gifted person here. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading. Right now, the tide is little tough. There is a money crunch for the two of you, and the and some one of your health is not okay. And to me, it's looking like Virgo, your health may not be okay, and you may be worried. How do I tell it to my partner? So that may be your worry about the future, because I'm seeing is one of you here is hurt, and you both are trying to tide through rough times. So right now I would just suggest that take a day at a time and then see how things work out. It's going to be a little bit of a rough ride for the two of you. So this is how the reading is, Virgo, for you and your love interest.